the point? Hey, man, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, your money. Give me tomorrow, please. I'm sorry. I don't get money yet. Come on, Yo, Squeeze. Yo, brother, man, I need your help, man. Where you at? Huh? Hey, man, forget your trim, man. Why you at the barber's, bro? Hey, no, man, this is important, man. I need help, man. I owe some guy money. I haven't got it, bro. I tried to be bad. I tried to con him, but it wasn't working, bro. I need. What? Hey, man, please, man, forget your goal, man. Don't need the trim today, please. I beg, please. Hey, man, bro, I bought your big back last time, man. Please help me out, man. You're in Southend, man. Hey, please, I beg. Hey, please. How long are you gonna take? What? A couple hours? Hey, bro, you better be here in an hour, bro. I need you, man. Hey, you'll be here. Alright, thank you. Alright, safe, bro.